The past few months have been crazy. We planned a lot of out-of-town trips with my brother, but none of them pushed through. Now that things are somehow getting back to normal, we did a little road trip to Zambales, originally to catch waves and surf. But unfortunately, not a great season to surf. So instead, we just chill and enjoy the beach.
See the light of the stars, hear the sound of the unseen in the empty fall.
Beach, beer, and sunset are the best partners. Zambales is a place very close to our hearts because back on the days where we don't have families yet, we spend most of our free time here, chill, surf, camp. Really miss those fun moments. Reunited with my brother and friends, and this awesome place is just something. The stories from the past never grows old.
And you'll see the light, though the darkness seems so strong.
The following morning, we just chill while waiting for our friends.
I am bright like a sun. You were my nova on the run.
We transferred to the other resort where Coach Verhel, one of our friends who happens to own the resort, set up a tables and chairs beside the beach. And we just drink and chill, watching the sunset while playing frisbee.
Way back home to your little shelter from the storm. And if you're feeling left up by the water, you could always wear your
The whole afternoon we just drink, laughing out loud while reminiscing the old stories. Damn, those days are crazy.
trials, slips and setbacks.
And so that's our quick Zambales story. Thank you for watching and always stay salty.
The clock back to the stakes. Oh, you got on that stupid plane. But when the winter chill freezes to the bone, you can always find your way back home to a little shelter on the stone. And if you're feeling wrapped up by the weather, you can always wear your cold sweater.